G'day! In today's video we've got an MSI Modern 14 with the model number C12M. It's a Intel 12th gen and I want to get into the BIOS to change it to boot off this. To do that I should just be able to hit the power button and then hold delete, or I'll tap it. I'll go with tapping it. And we should just have to keep doing that, and that should hopefully get us into the BIOS when it starts up. Bingo! There we go. Modern 14, C12M. From here we can use the storage, system info, tweak a couple of little settings here if you would like. I'm just going to go through them all. Just pause it if you need to be able to view more. I'm not going to do the UEFI BIOS update. And I need to go to here. USB disk drive, USB boot manager. Here, and I need to change it to this one. Go security. Secure boot is enabled. Trusting computer. There we go. That's really all there is to it. I'm going to go save changes and reset, and then boot off this, and then finish my install. Hope that helps. See you later. Bye.